Hi, I'm Frank Eskesen, founder of the Eskesen Law Firm, New York's personal injury firm. Today, I'd like to talk to you about something crucial that you need to consider before an accident happens. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage on your auto insurance policy. Why is this coverage important? Despite laws requiring insurance, many drivers either have no coverage or not enough. In fact, about 1 in 25 New York drivers are uninsured. Countless more have the bare minimum policy. If you're involved in an accident caused by one of these drivers and you haven't added sufficient coverage beforehand, you could be on the hook for medical expenses and other expenses, even if the crash wasn't your fault. Moreover, there could be insufficient insurance to adequately compensate you for your bodily injuries and pain and suffering. What does this mean for me? Well, luckily, New York requires all auto policies to have some uninsured motorist coverage on their policy. So if you have a car insured in New York, you already have some coverage. However, New York only requires $25,000 in this coverage. Now imagine if you were in an accident with a driver who also only carries that minimum coverage themselves. As a result of this accident, you sustain very serious injuries where $25,000 does not even come close to adequately compensating you for your injuries. As too many accident victims learn the hard way, if you only have the state minimum yourself, you're out of luck. However, you can protect yourself and your family by adding sufficient coverage to your policy before an accident. In that case, your own policy would cover the difference up to the limits you select. Because there are so many poorly insured drivers on the road carrying only the $25,000 in minimum coverage, we suggest you speak to your broker to increase your coverage to $250,000/$500,000. Is this affordable? You might think that adding all this additional coverage will be prohibitively expensive, but that's not the case. Typically, the vast majority of insurance policies' cost is that base policy, that $25,000 policy. For just a small increase in your premium, you could significantly enhance the coverage available to you and your family. Indeed, adding this coverage might cost less than a streaming subscription service or a couple cups of coffee per month. Protecting yourself and your loved ones starts with taking proactive steps before an accident happens. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage is a critical part of that protection, and it's more affordable than you might think. If you have questions about this coverage or need assistance for a personal injury case, please reach out to me at 212-433-4500. Thank you for your time. Stay safe on the roads, and remember, the best time to prepare is now. Take care, and I'm here if you need me.